Are you struggling to teach maths and formula to your kids? In this video, I'll be showing you 3 simple tips on how to teach square of any number from 1 to 100. Hi lovely mommies, welcome to my channel. This is Leela. In this channel, you will find parenting tips and kids educational resources. When it comes to square of a number, the first and foremost question that raises in our mind is how to explain a square to our kid. Let me put it this way, you can use this same sentence to teach your kids. So, square is nothing but when you multiply a number by itself, the result or answer is called square of a number. And in maths, there is a representation to denote the square, to specify the square. It is nothing but, suppose if you are going to teach your kid about 3 square, then write 3 and then on top, next to 3, on top, small 2 has to be written. This is how you can explain to your little ones. So I am going to show you 3 simple tips in this video on how you can calculate square of any number from 1 to 100, or rather I should say 10 to 100. But before going into the tips, I am assuming your kid already knows 1 to 9 multiplication tables and basic additions. So these are must to apply this tip to teach the square of a number. Now I'll take to my screen to show you how I am calculating the square of any particular number between 1 to 100. So let's get into the tips. Now let's start finding out the square for number 37. So I'm writing the number 37 here and then a small number 2 on top of it to denote the square. Okay, first step here is to find out the square for each digit in this number. So 3 square, 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. 7 square, 7 multiplied by 7 is 49. So 949 is the step 1 answer. Now the second step is to get the multiplication of both the digits with 2. So 3 multiplied by 7 and then multiplied by 2. So the answer will be 3 7s are 21, 21 2s are 42. So now let's write the step number 2 answer below the step number 1 answer. But you always have to leave the unit digit empty. So let's write 42 here. Okay, now let's sum both the numbers. So 9 plus 0 9, 4 plus 2 6, 9 plus 4 13. So 1369 is the answer. So 37 square is 1369. Let's check that in the calculator. So 37 multiplied by 37. That comes to 1369. Isn't it so cool and easy? Okay, let's try for another number, 53 square. So I have written down the number here. Now the step 1, finding out the square for each digit. 5 square, 5 multiplied by 5 is 25, 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. But in unit digits, whenever you find a square, if the answer is single digit, you have to put 0. So 09 is the square of 3. Now the step number 2, multiplying the digits of both numbers, 5 and 3. 5 into 3 into 2. So it comes to 5 3 times 15, 15 2 times 30. So 30 is the answer of step number 2. Now let's write down this number below the step 1 answer by leaving the unit digit empty. So I'm writing down here like this. Now let's sum these both numbers. 2, 5 plus 3 is 8, then 0 plus 0 0 and then 9. 2809 is the answer of 53 square. Let's check this again in calculator. Okay, 53 multiplied by 53. The answer comes to 2809. Isn't it so cool and easy to do any number square? Let's try one last number. So I'm going to take the number 99. So this is the largest 2-digit number, right? Let's find out the square for this. So 99 square. So step 1, finding out the square of each digit. 9 times 81, Again 9 times 81. This is step 1. Let's go for the step 2. Multiplying both the digits in the number with 2 is the step 2. So 9 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 2. That's going to be 9 9s are 81. 81 2 times 162. So this is the answer. 162 is step 2 answer. Let's write this down below the step 1 answer by leaving unit digit. Let's write it. So leaving unit digits, because it is 3 digits, it will start from the first one. So 2 and then 6 and then 1. So let's sum both the numbers here. So 1 plus 0 1, 8 plus 2 10. So carrying forward 1. So 6 plus 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 1 9. 9801 is the answer for 99 square. It's very easy to calculate any number. So again let's check in calculator once. So 99 multiplied by 99, 9801. It's exactly same answer what we got. So this is very easy tip to follow the square number. Coming to the surprise, in the description box I have left a link to this PDF where I mentioned all the steps I have taught you in this video and also few examples along with a worksheet. So you can just take a printout and then give it to your little one to practice these tips, and also you can write it on a paper. If you don't have a printer, you can just write down on the paper any random number between 10 to 100. You can just write a number and then put a little square symbol, then give it to your little one to solve these problems. I'm sure they will love it. I hope you liked the tips I showed you in this video. Let me know in comments how your kids felt these tips. My daughter Meeta, she enjoyed this particular tip and then she was very happy when she was able to do all the square numbers from 1 to 100. She was very happy. I hope your kids also will enjoy these tips. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel and also share with all of your friends who may find this helpful. I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye.